Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to download your own IGTV video that you posted to Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, make sure you have an IGTV account, and now we can go to the iPhone itself. Navigate to the Instagram application, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile. We see the IGTV video, go to IGTV, click the video itself, or we can go back to the iPhone homepage, go to the repost app that we purchased, and now we see the IGTV video. Click on this, download the video by clicking the right top corner of the screen, close, go back to your iPhone homepage, go to photos, and now we see our own video that we made for YouTube, posted to IGTV, the full video that we own, we created. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.